Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best home security camera in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Lorix 4K Spotlight Indoor/Outdoor Wi-Fi 6 Technology Security Camera. With smart security lighting for house, apartment, or business, Wi-Fi cameras for home security. White. Latest Wi-Fi 6 technology. 4K camera with superior video quality, realistic color representation, and digital zoom with 140 degrees field of view. Wi-Fi 6 allows for faster data transmission of 4K resolution. See clear in the dark with color night vision and IR night vision. IP65 weather-resistant enclosure will withstand most climates, -20 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. Detects and distinguishes motion between a person, vehicle, animal, and package. Receive detailed mobile notifications when an event is detected and use two-way talk to listen or speak to visitors, or have quick response to answer for you. Smart security lighting. Personalize your home by selecting from 16.7 million colors. Link the LED lights to trigger when a certain type of motion is detected, to welcome or deter. Easy access Wi-Fi security equipment. The Lorix Home app allows you remote access from anywhere with your cell phone. Number 4. Defender 4 Ultra HD Wired Security Cameras Night Vision. Mobile Viewing Motion Detection Cameras, Outdoor Surveillance, 8 cameras. Surveillance Camera System. Get 4 times the clarity of a standard 1080p security system camera with our 4K Clearview, 8.3 million pixels, Ultra HD security camera system. Mobile or VILANCE. Get notifications sent straight to your phone when motion is detected. Download, save, and share footage easily from our app. DVR Security Camera System. This system features a built-in 2TB DVR to store and encrypt security footage from your home or business. Heavy-duty weather resistant. The Defender security cameras are rated IP67, making them completely water-resistant, can withstand sub-zero temperatures for the long winters and cold nights, and are protected from dust and small particles. Number 3. Swan Home Security Alert Kit. Includes 2 Wi-Fi motion sensors, 2 window/door sensors, and siren. Weatherproof motion sensors, smartphone controlled, no hub required, and easy installation. No base station required. Can be set up within minutes and compare with other Swan sensors, sirens, cameras, and more. Once the items are connected to Wi-Fi, you can get push notifications from the sensors and customize the siren, DTT or NTRUDERs. Once paired together, Swan's Wi-Fi alert sensors trigger the siren with audible options for a voice to say "sensor triggered," sound a ding-dong or beep-beep, or a traditional siren. Perfect for NTRs and ONRs. 2-sided tape for sensors allows for non-permanent and permanent installation, and the siren mounts easily on walls or place it on a flat surface, making this an ideal security kit, whether you're an owner or renter. Number 2. SimpliSafe 5-piece wireless home security system. Optional 24/7 professional monitoring. No contract. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant White. Ready to protect right out of the box. Just plug in the base station, place your sensors, and start protecting your home in minutes. No tools required. Optional 24/7 professional monitoring and cloud recording with police, fire, and medical dispatch, starting at $60/day. No contracts. SimpliSafe products and professional monitoring services are only offered for sale and supported in the U.S. Sound the alarm. Pioneering signal burst technology that is powerful enough to cover homes of every size, with up to 1,000th range, no extender needed. Backups for your backups. 24-hour battery and dual Wi-Fi and cellular connections to keep your home secure and protected from the unexpected. Number 1. 4CH Crystal Vision CVT 9000 604 E3010W all-in-one true HD wireless surveillance system, NVR CCTV/2TB HED, built-in monitor and router, camera auto pair. All-in-one 4CH wireless HE system with built-in 10.1 monitor with 2TB hard drive. True plug-and-play with auto pair technology. Just power on the system and cameras using the provided power adapter, AC powered, wired power required. Dedicated Wi-Fi module for safer and more reliable connection/power extension is included for easy installation. Wireless cameras with bigger antenna increases the signal strength and distance. No, one US brand wireless system/headquarter located in California.